Welcome back, everybody, to the Poured Out series. Today's pour is epic. It is epic because I am using 10 colors. Yes, 10 amazing colors. And what I am pouring them out of will blow your mind because it blew mine. So if you are ready to have your mind blown, sit back, relax, and let's get started. All right, welcome back to April's Creation. I am your host, April, and this is episode 3 of Poured Out. So, you see the canvas. It looks a little crazy. You probably want to, April, what the word you got going on with your canvas? What I got going on is a split pour. So I went ahead and did the edges so that way they are covered. I didn't have to worry about any canvas showing through. So half is going to be black, half is going to be white, and then the colors are going to travel down the middle. I'm not going to tell you what we're pouring out of today because seeing is better than believing. So I'm going to go ahead and load up the canvases. Not canvases, it's only one canvas this time, I promise. I'm gonna load up the canvas with the black and white and I will be back. All right, we are back. Canvas is flooded. I just need to torch it and then I will show you what we're working with tonight. And I will be using the blow dryer. I haven't used it in a while, so I'll be using that. Okay, are we ready? Yes, you're seeing correctly. This is an ice tray. This is another one of the things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And this was suggested to me by Virginia. A couple of videos back, I had asked for suggestions in the comments for things to pour out of, and she suggested using an ice tray, but instead of mixing all the colors, put each color in individually. That's what I did. Got this, of course, from that Dollar Tree run that I did. If you didn't see that video, I will put it up there in the iCard so you can check that out. I am just so stoked about using this ice tray as my way of pouring out for this episode. So I'm going to be using Arteza 10 iridescent colors for this. Now, I did use water and Floetrol because even though it's not thick like a heavy body acrylic, it was still thick enough. So I had to use the water and the Floetrol. I mean, the colors are gorgeous. They're vibrant. I can't figure out which way I'm supposed to turn this box. Hopefully I got it in the right direction. Hopefully you guys can see it. But the colors are vibrant, they're fun, as you can see on the top of the box. The white from the Floetrol and the water, of course, diluted them some, so I had to add some of the paint back in, but it's all good. The colors were still amazing. So I'm gonna be starting from this corner and we're gonna go downward. And I'm gonna take the tray and I'm gonna come downward as well in that same direction so that, it goes along with the painting. And just see how it turns out from pouring it at this kind of diagonal direction. So we got a lot of cells creating here. I'm gonna torch just to see if I can make any more, and then I definitely have to get the drips because if not, all these cells that are creating here will go off the side. All right, and I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna do a line down the middle just to see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. All right, man, kind of look like a huge leaf or something. I don't know, guys, just trying something. But yeah, this is dope. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I love this. This is freaking awesome. If you can't tell by how excited and giddy I am, this is freaking awesome to me, and I am loving it. So I'm going to let it sit here for a little bit, see if any more cells are created. And while I wait, I'm gonna go and clean up those sides to make sure the ones that are being created do not get lost off the side of the canvas. Okay, we are back. It's been about 15 minutes. I played with it a little bit more, torched it some more, got a few things to pop up, but not much. I blew out this side just a little bit more. But all in all, it's all done. It is all done. Of course, as the hours roll on for it to dry, I mean, more may develop from it. I don't know. But if not, I still freaking love this. This is dope. Like, I love it. I freaking love it. So I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up and we'll be done. So I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Here's your close-up. Look at that. Oh, look at the cells that are created on the black side. And I think it's because of the fact that I got the black a lot thinner, so the density of it allowed for all those amazing metallics to create these amazing cells. And those are gonna make for some amazing skins. So I am pretty stoked about that too. All right, here we go on the white. Like I said, my white is thicker than the black this time around. It's normally opposite. I normally make the black too thick and the white is perfect. This time, yeah, so I think that's why I'm not getting as much cell creation, but I have little tiny ones in there that are struggling to get through. Okay, so the edges are also good too. I went around, cleaned up those drips, just have like a few here. Got some there that I definitely have to take care of, and I'm sure I have some still in the front, but not too bad as far as the drips. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the end of the video. Wow. Oh, I have paint leftovers, so look how that created those cool looking swirls in there. It's pretty dope. I like that. So I'm definitely gonna leave that too, then get all the way pour it out. So I'm gonna grab another canvas and I'm gonna pour the rest of this. I'm actually gonna put the canvas on top of it and then flip it over and then pick it up and see what creates from that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I might do a little video for it and just attach it to the end. I don't know, or save it for another time, who knows. But what I do know is if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the videos that I have posted so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button if you have not, and make sure you also turn on the notification bell so you know when episode 4 of the Poured Out series. I wonder what I have over there in my bag of tricks that's gonna be coming next. So make sure you do that and drop me a comment down below, guys, if you have any color combinations or if you have suggestions of things to pour out of, okay? And guys, I am doing this as my job. So I don't have a 9 to 5. So for me, I am trying to make YouTube my work, my income. So I would appreciate it if you guys would at least watch 5 minutes, so that way I can start building up my watch time. To get monetized here on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 watch hours. So I would appreciate it if you guys just watch as much as you can. Hey, turn it on in the background and just let it roll. I would appreciate that too. I even have playlists, so just turn that on and just let those roll, okay? So again, thank you all for your support. I truly appreciate it. And until the next one, stay safe, keep creative, and stay amazing. Bye.